So what we can do to improve your resume is update three things in under 10 minutes in order to make sure it obtains a hiring manager or recruiter's attention immediately. So the first thing we can do to optimize your resume is add a job title right underneath your name. So let's say you're a project manager. You can improve your visibility to the hiring executives by putting project management expert and then put a divider handle $1 million plus in project values. The next thing we can do is remove any objective statements. We know your objective is to land a job. We want to replace that with what is called a professional summary. A professional summary is where you can include 3 to 4 sentences of your top 3 to 4 skill sets and how that translates into the job or industry that you're going into. The third thing we can do is review your bullet points, adding more verbiage in terms of what you accomplish in those actions. So instead of just saying led a project, we can say led a team of 6 on X project to improve revenue by 25% within a 6-month time frame. That shows what you accomplished in